Hello everyone. As many of you know, I recently completed all tasks under Generative AI with Diffusion Models course from NVIDIA's Deep Learning Institute and showed you how to claim your certificate. And that experience was absolutely incredible. But now it's time to take the next big step. Starting tomorrow, I'll be beginning a brand new course which is getting started with deep learning. So you can see here it's there. Now, why this course important? It's because deep learning is the foundation of everything we see in AI today, from self-driving cars and medical imaging to recommendation system and generative AI tools. And here's the best part. This course doesn't just boost your knowledge, it also helps in your placement. Having an official NVIDIA certificate on your resume shows recruiter that you have gained real industrial level skills. Plus, if you are a graduation student, you can even add this as a project. That means you are hitting two targets with one arrow, earning a recognized certificate from NVIDIA and completing a valid technical project at the same time. You don't need to start a project from scratch because this course already gives you the foundation, structure, and practical implementation, saving your time, which is extremely precious during college. So here's my message to everyone watching. If you have already joined me in the Generative AI with Diffusion Model course, get ready to continue this journey. And if you haven't yet, this is your chance. Let's learn deep learning together and get another NVIDIA certificate added to our profile. Let's keep the momentum going, learn something new, and push our limit one course at a time. So now we'll just look in the overview of this course. So we'll just click on it. After clicking, we'll wait for a while. It will land us here. So here also there are 7 courses. Earlier in generative AI with diffusion model, there were 6 courses. Now here there are 7 and the flow will be same. So here first you have to watch the complete video. After that you have to click the start button which is here. I'll be showing the complete step for all the tasks in a separate video. So please be with me and get the certificate from NVIDIA. Guys, it will really boost your resume shortlisting in your placement journey, guys. So if you are interested, if you are interested or if you are not interested, please continue with me and get the certificate because I'm saying for your sake. See, guys, these all things college is not gonna say you, but if you want to get a good placement, please bear with me and complete these all tasks, guys, because it will really boost your resume on shortlisting if you have NVIDIA certificate, guys. So please be with me and complete this. If you haven't opted for this course, you can be with me and get the project, guys, because NVIDIA's project is also a very good project. If you have participated in any competition or in your college, if they are asking any project, you can show these kind of projects, guys, and really it will help you a lot, guys. So please be with me and watch it, and after that get the project from my videos and add it in your resume. So please be with me and get the certificate. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more content. Thank you for watching, guys.